A good liquid soap can often free a clogged toilet by lubricating the trap and breaking surface tension quickly. Use a generous amount of liquid dish soap or liquid hand soap applied directly into the bowl, then let it sit for at least 15 minutes to soften and lubricate the clog before attempting to flush. Pour warm, but not boiling water from waist height into the bowl to add force and help dissolve greasy or soapy clogs. Boiling water can crack porcelain, so avoid it. If you have a plunger, press down gently first to expel air, then use steady, firm plunges while maintaining a seal to work the lubricated obstruction loose. For clogs caused by hair or fibrous material, add a cup of liquid soap, wait, then use a toilet auger with slow clockwise rotation to pull or break up the mass. Describe the auger tip insertion to avoid scraping the bowl rim. When dealing with frequent partial clogs, consider switching to a lower sudsing soap and reduce paper usage, and if mineral buildup is suspected, use a descaling product recommended for toilets very sparingly because acid cleaners can damage seals. Always wear gloves and have a bucket and old towels ready to contain spills, and test the water level by slowly adding water after treatment rather than flushing immediately to avoid overflow. People often pour boiling water in which risks cracking the bowl, so use warm water instead and combine it with soap. If you already did, stop and let the bowl cool, then inspect for damage. Another common mistake is using powdered soap, which may not dissolve fully and can worsen the clog. Stick with liquid soaps that are heavier than water to improve lubrication. A third issue is over-reliance on chemical drain cleaners, which can harm seals and plumbing joints and are unnecessary for most simple toilet clogs. Try soap, warm water, plunging, and an auger before reaching for harsh chemicals. Our site bighomeprojects.com connects homeowners seeking help with local contractors and gives contractors visibility to find work related to plumbing and other projects. We host a discussion community where users and professionals exchange practical tips and share real experiences about fixes like toilet unclogging.